Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive the Volvo XC40. First, let's get you started. To begin, ensure your foot is firmly on the brake pedal. Then, locate the start/stop knob on the center console, usually near the gear selector. Give it a quick clockwise twist, and your XC40 will purr to life, ready for your journey. It's a simple and intuitive process. Once the engine is running, move the gear selector to D for drive. The XC40 offers various drive modes, such as Eco for efficiency, Comfort for a smooth ride, and Dynamic for a more responsive feel. Experiment to find your preference. Remember to engage the electronic parking brake when you're stopped, especially on inclines, for safety and stability. The XC40 is packed with advanced safety features. Familiarize yourself with Pilot Assist, which helps with steering, acceleration, and braking on highways. The 360-degree camera system makes parking in tight spots a breeze, offering a comprehensive view around your vehicle. Always adjust your seat and mirrors for maximum comfort and visibility before driving. When you've reached your destination, shift the gear selector into P for park and engage the electronic parking brake. Then, simply twist the start/stop knob counterclockwise to turn off the engine. You've successfully driven your Volvo XC40. For more great tips and resources, including a fantastic book on personal finance, check the description below for links and other deals. Happy driving!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.